Hi fam, welcome back to today's video. So today's video I'll be showing you this amazing hair growth oil I used to grow my friend's hair to this length. Okay, this is her 6 months update of her hair growth. Yeah, so if this was interested, then kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Let's get started. So fam, these are the oils we're going to be mixing together for this powerful DIY hair growth oil. Alright, so we're going to be using, first ingredient we'll be using is olive oil. We're using olive oil, and after we use olive oil, we are going to be using moringa oil. This is a cold pressed moringa oil. We'll be using this, and this has amazing benefits for your hair growth fam. So excited about this video. Then this is amla oil. Amla oil is one oil Indians use very well. This is jojoba oil, this is coconut oil, and we have our DIY aloe vera oil and also DIY avocado oil. I'm going to be telling you all the benefits of all these oils. And this is our clove oil. I did a video about clove oil and clove butter. Is on my channel, please go check it out. So lest I forget, we'll be using castor oil too, Jamaica black castor oil. So I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon for all this recipe. So benefit of moringa is rich in ammonic acid, which are built up of cells. It helps to treat alopecia. It activates the dormant hair follicles and enhance hair growth. It helps to in bar areas and the rest. So this is clove oil. I'm using 1 tablespoon. So clove is high in too many ingredients. It helps to strengthen your hair. It helps to protect your hair from itchiness. And this we are using here, we're adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Olive oil helps to moisturize your hair. Black castor oil, I'm just putting few drops. This also helps to promote hair growth. Coconut oil is a very nice oil. In case you have low porosity hair, you can use coconut oil. It helps to penetrate your hair more faster. Jojoba oil, it's amazing for hair growth. It's amazing for thin edges. So I'm just going to be putting 1 tablespoon also, and I'm going to be using aloe vera. Aloe vera helps in promoting hair growth, prevents alopecia, it fights itchiness to the scalp. So I'm just going to be using 1 teaspoon. Then we are using our avocado is rich in vitamin C, E, K and vitamin B. Okay, it contains omega-3 fatty acid. It promotes shine, it prevents breakage. And this is our amla oil. I added 1 tablespoon of amla oil, and amla oil helps to double your hair growth within few months. So I'll mix all this together, and I'm going to do like the double boiler method, just to infuse all the oils together and make sure the oils are combined really well and really nice. You can use this as a hot oil treatment. You can use this as a pre-poo. You can use this to seal in moisture. You can use it especially on your baldspot, your thin edges, anywhere you have any problem areas in your hair. You can use this on that place, and your hair you see results after 1 use. So far I'm straining this out just to remove any chaff from the oils, and I'm just going to pour this in my container just like this. So I'm showing you guys the chaff, so I'm just going to pour this in my container. You can do this oil and store it. It's not going to get bad. You can use this oil as I said earlier on, as a pre-poo, and I used this oil on my hair as a hot oil treatment, and my hair was really soft. My friend used this on her problem area, as you saw from the beginning of the video. The first stage was her hair was really chopped, and the second stage her hair came out, and the last stage was when her hair was really full. Those are her 6 month journey of using this oil on her hair. I think I have come to an end of this video. This is her hair. Her hair is really full and strong. All her edges have grew back. Like, fam, try this recipe and you will not regret it. So I think I've come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new, and turn up the notification bell so that you'll be the first to get the notification whenever I upload a new one. And also like and comment and share. So I was just touching her hair and I was asking her, hope she was liking the recipe. She said yes, that her hair is really growing. And yeah, so I'll see you all in my next video. So let's show you the back of her hair. This is the back of her hair. Her hair is all full and fluffy. So we're going to be doing a length check maybe in our next one. So I'll see you all later. Bye.